Hi everyone, it's Shell from Designs by Shell here. Today I'm going to share with you some pretty cards that I've made using a really cute cupcake stamp and another one that says either "You're so sweet" or "Just for you" on it. And the cards are, let's see, 4.25 by 5.5. So this is what the first one looks like here. And I've done lots of layering on these and some stamping and then the embossing and decorated them up. And I think they turned out really pretty. So these could be birthday cards or, you know, just a thinking of you card. I guess you could use it as a thank you card even. Yeah, so they're kind of fun to do. So I'm going to show you what I've used to create these. So this is the stamp set that I used for this. You can see there's the cupcake that I used on the cards and had the "Just for you." I used that on some of them. I also created some tags with these too, so we're gonna finish up one of those a little later on here. And then here's the "You're so sweet" message in there, and it's also got some friendship sayings and a cute little teacup, which I'll probably be using in another video at some point. So there's those, and I've used the silver embossing powder on these. Now I also did some die cutting and die cut out these rectangles here with the stitching on it, and then I did the stamp, the cupcake stamp here, and embossed it with the silver. And I used one of my markers and just colored the strawberry in. I thought that looked really pretty. Kind of fun there. And let's see, so that's the first card. And then actually that one on here, when I use the "You're so sweet" stamp, I just used some of the stickle glitter to go around the edge on that one. And that I didn't emboss the saying on that one, just the cupcake there. And then you can see I've layered it with a pink little floral print and just a pink polka dot underneath that. And then the second one I did emboss the words as well that say "You're so sweet." And I did the same colors and the same papers on this one. And on the edge of this one, I just took my pink ink pad and just kind of rubbed it along the edges of the label there, just to kind of give it a little extra effect on there and add a little pearls on the cards. And so they turned out really cute. Then I did a gift tag here that you could use on top of a gift if you were giving, or however you want to use it. And I layered up this little label here and used the, let's see, the 3D dots or squares underneath to like raise it up. And then I took my red marker and just did these little dots around the edge. Just kind of gave it another kind of interesting look to it. So I thought that turned out really cute. So we're gonna go ahead and finish one of those together now. So stay tuned here. I've got everything organized here. So we're gonna go ahead and do the little dots on this "Just for you" label here. So it's really simple to do. Just kind of gives it a extra pretty effect here. Or you could use your ink pad and stamp around the edges like I did on the first one. So that's pretty simple to do there. And then we're going to color in the strawberry, I think, with the red here. And this is like a dual brush pen that I'm using to color in here. Hope my head's not getting in the way when I'm bending over here. When you emboss, it's kind of nice because you can color right over those dots and you don't have to be too particular because it won't color those. So that's that. And then I'll take some of these little 3D squares here. And I just put them on the, I sort of decide where I'm going to put that on my tag there, kind of like this, and I'll put these on the back. Just kind of line them up. Like so. And just take the backing paper off. Oops. And then we'll put that on like so. And there you have another tag. So I hope you enjoyed that, and maybe you're inspired to use some of your stamps and do some embossing and create some tags and cards like these. And thanks so much for watching. Give my video a like if you liked it. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.